Hi, it's Paul Rolfe, and in this advice video we're talking about one of the most essential tricks and tips for presenting your house for sale. Now, in a typical house here, a typical scene, I see a unit. This could be any surface. It could be a bookcase, a windowsill, almost anywhere. A bedside table as well has the same problem. We have many things in our lives and we'd like to show them. And this is great. For normal living, it's fine. But for presenting a house to the market to sell, we need to do the unclutter word. We hear that a lot in our industry. But it's also not just a question of taking things away, it's about how you present them. Now, this kind of looks okay, but it's really quite busy. It's also very busy in a photograph. When we advertise a house on the internet, it would look just too cluttered. So here's what we're going to do. Now take away everything and start again. Now, it's completely bare. So that's obviously not quite right. Let's just put in place one thing. And one thing is much better. It's striking, it's a large item, it gets noticed. It gives some presence to the area we're looking at here. So we have a golden rule here about presentation, and we call it the 1 and 3 things rule. This is one thing. If we had 3 things, I'm just going to shift this across a little bit and put in these items. That's also okay. There's 3 things and it's in an almost triangular shape. You could also have 1 large thing in the centre and 2 smaller things at the side, or 2 larger things at the side and a small thing at the centre. This is the 1 or 3 rule. It's very effective. It's used by nearly all professional interior designers as a way of presenting things. It's also how flowers are also laid out in plantings in gardens. So this is our advice on presenting your house. The simple rule to remember: on any surface you have 1 thing or 3 things to show.